Integration of RPA with Business Process Management (BPM). RPA is the use of intelligent robots or software. They automate repetitive, rule-based tasks in business processes. BPM, on the other hand, aims to optimize workflows and boost efficiency. It ensures processes run smoothly. By integrating RPA with BPM, organizations can use the strengths of both. This will create a more efficient and productive environment. How does it work? Integrating RPA with BPM means joining RPA's automation tools with BPM's workflow management. It allows for automating tasks within larger business processes. Intelligent robots can be programmed to interact with systems. They can gather data, make decisions, and complete tasks with little human help. Benefits of RPA and BPM integration. Enhanced productivity. Automating repetitive tasks lets employees focus on more valuable work. This increases both productivity and efficiency. Workflow efficiency. RPA's integration with BPM streamlines processes. This reduces bottlenecks and delays in tasks. Process optimization. Automation tools can improve processes. They find areas to fix, reduce errors, and increase accuracy. Digital transformation. RPA can boost BPM systems. It can drive digital transformation. This helps organizations stay competitive in the digital age. How to implement RPA and BPM integration. Integrating RPA and BPM requires a strategic approach. It starts with finding and ranking processes to automate for efficiency. This integration requires IT and business teams to collaborate. They must ensure the selected processes align with business goals. RPA will streamline tasks, while BPM will manage and optimize the workflows. Also, organizations should invest in training and change management. This will help employees adapt to the new system and use it well. Conclusion. In conclusion, using RPA with business process management can automate processes. It will boost efficiency and drive digital transformation.